Hi, I'm Scott Wingo, co-founder and executive chairman of ChannelAdvisor. ChannelAdvisor is a software company located out of Research Triangle Park, North Carolina. We help about 3,000 retailers sell about $7 billion online through e-commerce channels like eBay, Amazon, and Google. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 steps for starting and growing an Amazon business. First, let me give you some background on Amazon so you understand why this makes sense. Amazon is the US's largest internet retailer, and it's the second largest overall retailer. It's growing 30% and e-commerce is growing 15%. Amazon has over 300 million active buyers. A lot of you may think of Amazon as a bookstore. That couldn't be further from the truth. Books are now less than 20% of what Amazon does. The other 80% is everything you could imagine, including some areas you may not think about, like home services, business services, and business products. So no matter what industry you're in, Amazon could be an interesting channel for you. Now let's look at what it takes to launch on Amazon. The first thing you need to do, instead of just jumping into selling on Amazon, is do some research. And what we encourage folks to do is learn a lot about Amazon and how it works. The first thing I would draw your attention to is the seller rank. Every item on Amazon has a sales rank. The sales rank for the top product is sales rank number 1, and it goes down from there. Number 2, there's a thing on every product page called the buy box, and it's in the upper right-hand side, and you actually compete with other sellers of this product, including Amazon, to own the buy box. And that's determined by several factors, including your reputation as a seller, how fast you deliver products, the amount of inventory you have, and if all things equal, the price of your product. So this can give you a very good idea of what products you have and match them on Amazon to see what you could make a profit on, because you're going to need to be competitive on that buy box. After you do that, what I would recommend is take all the products and services you have available, figure out maybe 10 or 20% that makes sense to sell on Amazon for you, and then you can go to Seller Central. That's Amazon's free portal for sellers to set up an account and start selling on Amazon very quickly. You could literally get this done in 1 or 2 days. So once you do that, it's actually pretty easy after you create your account. You take your products you want to sell, you match them to the Amazon catalog, then you tell Amazon the quantity and price. Once your products start selling, you pull down orders and ship them to the customers. So Amazon, as part of this arrangement, Amazon takes a commission rate, and that's generally in between 8 and 15%. So once you start selling on Amazon, the third tip I want to give you is how to scale your business. An iterative process where you start selling on Amazon and then take your number of SKUs, look at how they're selling month to month and year over year is important. Then you can take those and look at the top third, the middle third, and the bottom third. The bottom third typically aren't going to be doing well, and you probably don't want to do more of that. Then the middle and the top are products that are doing pretty well, and you want to source more of that product, make sure you have competitive pricing. Then as your Amazon grows, usually somewhere around $500,000 a year, $1 million a year, you want to start looking at something called Fulfillment by Amazon, and that's called FBA. Amazon has over 300 million active buyers. We think about 40 to 50 million of them use Amazon Prime. And that's where the consumer pays $100 and gets free all-you-can-eat 2-day shipping, and now benefits like Amazon Prime Now, which is same-day shipping. For your products to be eligible for that, it's called Prime eligible, then they need to be in Amazon's fulfillment facilities, and that's how you use Fulfillment by Amazon. A lot of people think of it as a complete outsourced warehouse. That's not the right way to think about it. It's a way to accelerate your Amazon business. So to grow your Amazon business to that next level, you put your products that fit there in FBA and you'll see a dramatic increase. Then the last part I want you to think about in this roadmap for growing your Amazon business is repricing. So I mentioned that buy box, and there's software out there, Amazon provides some, and there's other vendors, that allows you to say, I want to own the buy box within these ranges of price, and it will automatically change the prices for you. It's kind of like a stock market for products. So with these 3 tips, you should be able to understand the opportunity, launch a business on Amazon, and scale it pretty aggressively. I hope you've enjoyed this video.